Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn Ice Maker and the Electactic Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise to deliver quick and efficient ice production, making them ideal for home use, camping, and parties. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into the details and find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to price, the Silonn Ice Maker is priced at $109 United States dollars, while the Electactic Ice Maker is more budget-friendly at $89 United States dollars. This price difference could be a deciding factor for many consumers looking for a portable ice maker. Let's see if the additional cost of the Silonn translates to better features or performance. Both the Silonn and Electactic ice makers boast an impressive ice production capacity of 26 pounds per day, producing 9 cubes in just 6 minutes. This means that whether you choose the Silonn or the Electactic, you can expect quick and efficient ice production for all your needs. However, let's explore how their designs and functionalities might affect their performance in real-world scenarios. Looking at user feedback, the Silonn Ice Maker has garnered 3,519 reviews, with a solid rating of 4.4 out of 5. In contrast, the Electactic Ice Maker has only 37 reviews, also with a 4.4 ratings. The significant difference in review count suggests that the Silonn has been tested by a larger audience, which may provide more insights into its reliability and performance over time. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Electactic ice makers offer excellent features and performance for their respective price points. The Silonn stands out with its extensive user feedback and compact design, while the Electactic provides a more budget-friendly option with similar capabilities. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.